In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on Monday.com in 25, a feature that can significantly enhance your project management experience by adding an extra layer of organization to your boards. Now let's dive right into it. First, you need to head over to Monday.com. Go ahead and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, you're presented with the dashboard, which provides an overview of your projects. This is where you manage all your boards. Next, you have two options. You can either create a new board or navigate to an existing one that you'd like to work on. On the dashboard, you'll find the option to create a board prominently displayed, but if you choose to use an existing board, simply locate it on your list and click to enter. This flexibility allows you to start organizing your projects with tags on a new slate, or improve the organization of your ongoing projects. Once you're on the board, look for the Add Column option. This is typically found near the top of your board, easily accessible. Clicking Add Column reveals a menu with various types of columns you can add to your board, and it's a great place to explore if you want to add different functionalities. From this menu, you'll want to click on More Columns. This step is necessary to access additional column options that aren't immediately visible. Once you click More Columns, a variety of column types appears, offering a multitude of ways to customize your board's interface. At this point, you'll see a search bar within the columns menu. In this search bar, you'll type tags. This search helps you quickly locate the tags feature among the many column types available, saving you the time of manually scrolling through all the options. After typing tags, you should see the tags column appear in your search results. The final step is simple but crucial. Click on Add to Board. Once you do this, the tags column will be added to your board, allowing you to start using tags for better organization. You can now label tasks, projects, or any other items on your board with tags, making them easier to find and manage according to your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully added tags to your board on Monday.com. It's a straightforward process that significantly enhances your ability to organize and categorize your tasks effectively. With these tags, you can streamline your workflow and improve productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope these steps have helped you build more organized and efficient boards on Monday.com. Remember, staying organized is key to effective project management, and tags are a powerful tool to help you achieve that.